In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Mailchimp with Outlook Add contacts to an audience automatically. By the end, your new Outlook contacts will flow straight into a Mailchimp audience without manual imports. First, sign into your Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft 365 account and make sure you can see your contacts. If your organization uses folders or different contact lists, note where new contacts are stored, because you'll need that location when you set up the sync. Next, sign into Mailchimp, open Audience, and choose which audience should receive the contacts. This is important. Everything you sync will land here, so pick the audience you actively use for campaigns. To connect the two, use an integration service that supports Outlook to Mailchimp contact syncing, such as Zapier. Before building anything, confirm that it offers an action like Add Update Subscriber in Mailchimp when a new contact is created in Outlook. That ensures the tool can both add brand new contacts and update existing ones so you don't create duplicates. Create a new Zap in your integration tool. Set Outlook, either Microsoft 365 email or contacts, as the trigger app, and choose a trigger event like new contact or updated contact. If you organize contacts into folders, select the correct one here so you're syncing the right set. For the action, set Mailchimp and choose Add Update Subscriber. Select your target Mailchimp audience, then map fields from Outlook email, first name, last name, phone, and anything else you care about to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Add a default status for new subscribers, typically subscribed, but only for people who have explicitly given permission. Avoid importing anyone who hasn't consented to receive marketing. If it helps later segmentation, apply tags, such as Outlook or a team name. Decide how you want the initial sync to behave. If you want all current Outlook contacts pushed to Mailchimp immediately, turn on a setting like Sync Existing Contacts or Sync All Contacts on first run. If you only want contacts added or updated from this point forward, leave historical sync off. Now test the setup. Create a test contact in Outlook with a unique email and save it in the folder you chose for syncing. Run the test within your integration tool and confirm the contact appears in the correct Mailchimp audience with the right fields and tags. If anything looks off, adjust your field mapping and retest. Finally, keep an eye on things. Periodically check Mailchimp and the integration dashboard for sync errors, like invalid emails or missing required fields, and fix them so the automation stays reliable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.